This 5050 has seen some shit. Camping freezers, CPU coolers, liquid metal shunt mods. So when I saw that it had lost the top spot on TimeSpy, well, that's pissed me off. This is the only block that I have that will fit the card. The problem is, inside it's basically wide open, so the coolant just flies straight through it. I put some copper mesh inside there just to slow the coolant down and make the block do some actual work. I didn't center the block. Rookie. Last time I shunt modded it, but I think this time I'd like to see what it can do without cheating. I'm shocked that this card still works, to be honest. For those who don't know, this is what the little battler does when it's stock. Right, let's get that score. Well, that's a long way off from where we need to be, so I'm going to have to shunt mod it. The trouble is, now that it's frozen, once I pull it down, I run the risk of getting it wet, so probably should have shunt modded it to begin with. Well, that looks terrible and dangerous. Round 2. Okay, I'm annoyed now. I'm going to pull it all down and redo it because 10 watts is not enough. There's so much on there now that I'm worried when I put the fan on there for the VRAM, it's just going to blow metal everywhere. Round 3? It's not going to happen. I can't even beat my own score. Let's find out if any of this stupid shit helped in games. Well, it didn't get the record, so the shunt isn't the only thing controlling the power on these cards. Maybe it's time I let this card retire. First though, I think I'll let the 1080 Ti take another swing at it.